Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 113 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से पार्ट 2 करेक्ट यूसेज और चैप्टर नंबर 18 नाउन्स एंड प्रोनाउंस। यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि टेल विच ऑफ द इटैलिसाइज्ड फॉर्म्स इज राइट एंड गिव द रीजन। जो भी यहाँ पर आपको वर्ड्स ब्रैकेट्स में दिए हुए हैं इनमें से आपको करेक्ट चूज करके बताना है कि वो क्यों करेक्ट है। पहला है शी इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मदर्स दैट हैव or have ever lived. The correct answer is have. क्यों है? Because mothers जो word है is plural. You are not the first man that has or have been deceived by appearances. You are not the first man that has been deceived by appearances. Man is singular. One of his many good traits that come to my mind was his modesty. One of his many good traits that comes to my mind was his modesty. अब यहाँ पर traits जो है वो plural है और जो one है वो singular है और इसी के कारण क्योंकि one जो है वो singular है that's why the verb agrees with the singular subject one. This is one of the things that kills or kill ambition. This is one of the things that kills ambition. Reason things जो है is plural. Treasure Island is one of the best pirate stories that was or were ever written. Treasure Island is one of the best pirate stories that was ever written. Stories plural है but one जो है वो singular है और इसी के लिए जो verb है वो agree करता है with the singular subject one. Ambition is one of those passions that is or are never satisfied. Ambition is one of those passions that is never satisfied. Again, passions जो है वो plural है. Passions आपका plural है जबकि one जो है वो singular है और इसी के कारण the verb agrees with the singular subject one. This is one of the songs that was or were most popular. This is one of the songs that was most popular. Songs plural but one is singular. We lament the excessive delicacy of his ideas which prevent one from grasping them. We lament the excessive delicacy of his ideas which prevents one from grasping them. Here, delicacy is singular. Tyranny is one of those evils which tend to perpetuate itself or themselves. Tyranny is one of those evils which tends to perpetuate itself. Evils is plural, but one is singular. And itself refers to singular evil. ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 113। आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।